So a lot of people are really confused on exactly what you use the key that's inside your Mini Cooper wireless key entry for. So if we take a look right here, there it is, a regular Mini. But if you look at the back, there's a button. If you hold it down and then pull the front, it'll separate. And inside is a key. So a lot of people are confused what this key does. And from looking through all the videos online, no one explained when they did their review or whatever of the car what this actually was and this thing. So I'm going to be showing you what it does. So first of all, once you do that, you have your wireless key entry here, which is separated from the actual base of itself. And you want to take this, you want to go to your car. You can see right here is a keyhole. Some of them have a little shutter right here that you got to open up. But you take the key, you insert it into the keyhole, it's a tight fit, and then you turn left and locks it. Then you turn it back, take it out, open the door, get in the car, and the same way can be used with locking the door as well, with the outside. So now what you do is this key right here doesn't actually start your car. It's not used to start your car. It's not used to turn on the car or anything like that. What it actually does is just to get into the car. Then you take the key and the wireless key entry and you insert the key back into it like so. It'll clip, indicating it is in, and this button will pop back up. You take, insert it into the dash, and start your car. So a lot of people are confused as to what that does because of the reason being that inside the cockpit of your car, there is no keyhole except for this. So some people are saying, well, do I take the key and is there a secret like compartment that I gotta open to use it? The key is solely used to get in your car. In case the wireless, basically in case the keyless entry right here, in case that dies, in case the battery in it dies, you still have a way to get in your car. Now, you still connect this back to this and plug it into the dash like regular to start your car. However, just in case that battery dies, they have provided this key right here, which you can use to get inside of your car and also lock your doors just in case it dies. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully this makes it a little bit more clear. In order to find this out, I actually had to go through the manual, but a lot of people get Mini Coopers secondhand, not basically brand new, and they don't come with the manual, and it's very difficult to find a manual online that you can read through and find stuff. So I thought I'd make this video. If anybody here has a Mini Cooper that wants me to make more Mini Cooper videos, let me know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.